In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on quantum computing stock. My dear friends, this stock has currently broken down from an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short sell position before a big downside correction get trigger. Dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was an bottom where the stock has given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, the price got triggered with back-to-back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher rise registered here, the second higher rise over here, and the third higher rise here. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows. And this is an area where we got two major negative signals. This is an area where the game started to change. First of all, the very first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside. The moment this channel get triggered on the downside, we take that as a confirmation that stock has completed the upside cycle and it's ready for a downside move. And the second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows, and that give us a confirmation that stock is officially under correction. And my dear friends, now we will see the diversion. If you'll put a diversion over here, you will be surprised to know. If you'll put MACD indicators, you will be surprised to know that there is a negative diversion. Price action is showing here higher highs, but the same thing is missing on the MACD oscillation. And this is an area where we got a breakdown, and very soon it will going to give you the downside momentum. And finally, and the most important, is the chart pattern. If you'll see over here, the last negative signal, that will be a double top pattern. My dear friends, if you'll see over here, we got a negative chart pattern, the negative chart structure, and that is a double top pattern which is already triggered with the neckline at $13.78. Now, very high probability that we may see the stock coming to, it may come to fill the gap of at around $9, and then we will see the target coming to very high probability the target may come downside to the $8. This will be the first target, and the second target somewhere around to $6. So this will be two major downside target for the stock. And in any case, if you get this rally in the stock, you have to use an opportunity to short sell on rise upon opportunity. Every rise will be look as an opportunity to short sell. The approach should be sell on rise. And my dear friends, this area of this neckline area will act as a strong resistance now. Earlier it was in strong support, but after the breakdown it has turned into an important resistance. Support change into a resistance because multiple negative factors got action over here. This was a point where we have seen the upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside. This was an area where we have find the higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this was an area where we have seen the negative diversion between the price action and MACD. And finally, this was an area where we have witnessed the breakdown of negative chart structure double top pattern. So with due respect to all these negative breakdowns, high probability that stock will give you the downside correction. And this is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.